We are here at the Salvation Army in Hawaii, so we're about to go thrifting.
We convinced Debbie after her long week of making over Mom's Kitchen to buy a last-minute ticket to Hawaii. In this upcoming video, they hit up Hawaii's thrift stores, they make over my aunt's kitchen wall just like my mom's, and they even do a DIY project with a pair of Crocs. You are not going to want to miss all the good stuff coming up in this video. While Debbie and Grandpa went to church back home, we also woke up for the 8 a.m. service at Waimea Falls in Hawaii, and it was beautiful.
It is Monday morning. I just got through working out. I went to the grocery store, and now I'm gonna head into a thrift store and see if I can find any goodies for the shop. Everyone's still in Hawaii, and I have another week at my sister's, so let's just see what we can find.
We also went shopping, but it wasn't a thrift store. We went to a maker's market, and it was so cool. There were so many vendors, so much jewelry, and there was some delicious food as well. After the markets, we then picked up my mom's best friend, Alma, and she got to stay with us for a couple of days on the North Shore.
I woke up this morning feeling real tired. I don't know what time it is. It's like noon. Forced myself to go to the gym and get through the workout. 2 cups of coffee, you know those days when no amount of caffeine is gonna help you? That's what today feels like. The thing is, most of yesterday I took a nap. Last week was intense. Getting that whole kitchen done by myself pretty much, plus editing all day Saturday, it wiped me out. Now all I want to do is go to Hawaii and lay in the sand. Ellie just sent me a flight. I could get on the plane on Wednesday and be gone until next Monday. But if I do that, I have to get some of the projects done today and tomorrow. I need to put a transfer on this and take it over to the antique mall space. I also have another one that I want to stamp. I have this kind of genius idea that I want to try for that. Maybe if I can get all those things done, then I will feel less guilty about just taking off for Hawaii for 5 days.
Debbie is using Joy de Rosa's transfer from IOD. She is using the grid lines to cut out the transfer evenly. Because the shape of her lamp is not even, it's kind of like cone shaped, she's gonna need to line everything up. So she recommends finding something that is even so that you can just do it as one whole one, or you can find a different transfer where you can cut them out individually like flowers and kind of shape them all together. But with this transfer, it's different. So she needed to make sure everything was lined up really good. And then she just used some DIY paint to kind of touch up those areas where it was laid over and blend it in. So it looks like, you know, it was one piece. So we just got the best news ever. Debbie is coming out. She just booked her last minute ticket. And so now we have to figure out what we're gonna transform in Auntie Linda's house. What do you think we're gonna do? What do you want
I can't wait. I want her to do this wall. Votes are that is a blank wall.
Yes, that would be so cute with the new stencils.
And a new paint color.
And this lampshade.
Needs painting and maybe stencils.
I check here every morning now after I work out, and most of the time it's a no-go, but there is some cute stuff. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm supposed to be packing to go to Hawaii. What do I do? And then there's this cute velvet situation. There's a couch. There's a marble tabletop. No on that, no on that. Look at this. That's really cute too. Oh crap. It's really hard to walk away from it. I think I'll take the velvet ottoman because it looks really clean, and the little nightstand, but my favorite thing I'm gonna leave for somebody else. I got priorities. I gotta go see my family in Hawaii. Okay, I'm super sweaty because I just finished working out. I put the nightstand in my car and the drawer kind of slid open, and something really disgusting. Somebody's earplugs. So thank goodness they're in a little plastic thing, but ew.
We're here at a thrift store, so let's see what we find.
many dudes that have their hairdressers flying.
Yep, you're number one. You get the private haircut on the beach. Beachfront. The next part to the lamp was touching up the top with some golden ticket, and then she took liquid patina to finish it and give it a nice seal. After this project was finished, she then took it to the antique mall to put it up for sale. I think it turned out great. You can find these transfers on our website, DIYagogo.com. The day before Emma and I left, we went snorkeling at Sharks Cove, and it will be a day I will remember for the rest of my life, just having us all together, especially my Aunt Linda, and it was so much fun, so beautiful. We saw eels and tons of fish, and I just couldn't be more grateful that we got to just see the beautiful creation that God has given us. Before Debbie headed out to Hawaii, her and Bobby went over to the antique mall at her space to hang a new display for the JRV decoupage paper, and we also came out with these really cute posters to hang as display above the molds and stencils to kind of show off what they do so that customers can be super inspired. Then Debbie headed down the coast to her store in Solana Beach to grab some paint to bring to Auntie Linda's. Stay tuned to see how they transform her kitchen wall, and also a really cool upcoming project with Crocs and charms. You do not want to miss it. Debbie was on her way to Hawaii, and we were on our way to the airport. We were so excited when she texted us that she was here. We could not wait to see her.
I just landed. I'm waiting for them to come get me. I'm so excited.
Debbie just landed. And what'd you get her, Linda?
Beautiful.
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, that was beautiful. That's so pretty.
Back home with my family, it's right there where I want to be. It's all I need to be a rich man. There ain't nothing like coming home to you.
Debbie, I'm so glad that you chose to come out. I know if you didn't, it's something that you would probably think about and really regret not doing. I love that we got to spend the last day together, all as a family, walking around Waikiki and seeing all the different art and shops. It was really an awesome time.
Back home with my family, it's right there where I want to be.
And don't forget, Debbie has a Croc project coming up. It is going to blow your mind and actually make you want a pair of Crocs. I never thought I would ever say that, but I think I'm going to go get a pair after seeing this video.
I love you guys. I love you too. Bye, Emma. I love you. I love you more. We are here at the Salvation Army in Hawaii, so we're about to go thrifting for you. I'm excited. Cute. How much is that?
Super cute, isn't it?
What's the price on that?
$6.99.
No way. It's a very pretty pattern. Vintage, 1987 for $2.
After Auntie Linda and Debbie bought their Crocs, there was a shop right next to Crocs that was selling blanks for the charms. So they grabbed these cheap shell headbands, cut them up, super glued them onto the blanks, and then bedazzled them. Like, I don't think it gets any better than that. And their workspace was pretty much on the beach. So you could say it was a nice time to do some DIYing on their Crocs. And Auntie Linda had this super cool lizard, and she bedazzled the eyes. I think I need that. I know I need that.
I've been through this a million times. Now I'm starting to lose my mind. Shot like a rocket to his level, and all of a sudden I'm a rebel. You're like a bad addiction, causing friction, creeping into my...
Hey, Spency.
Do I have to sign a model release?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, we're getting ready.
Debbie brought the goods to Hawaii. She brought DIY paint in the colors Fancy Farm Girl, Old 57, Mermaid Tail, and she got to work using the spray bottle to water down the paint and create a beautiful blended look.
I raged against you like a river on a stone, but against that tidal wave I am overthrown. Mercy, 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 mercy.
After Debbie finished her blending on the wall and let the paint dry, she's now using the new tropical leaf stencil pack from JRV to do these beautiful leaves, just like how she did on Mom's kitchen wall last week. These stencils are also available on our website, and they are going fast.
Climbing the cocos. Whoa.
I am fare thee well now, I am strong, I am goodbye, I'm a long way from home. I am an orchard at the start of spring, I am a mockingbird I love to sing, and I'm gonna fly.
Hey, we just got back from the jeweler and I got a few little goodies. This artist was the most inspiring artist I have seen out of all of Hawaii, and I've been to a lot of Hawaii stores. Full Fathom 5. You have to check it out. We will put the link in the description box.
Thanks for watching this video. To find DIY paint in your area or to learn about selling it in your store, click the link below.
I love you madly. I love you madly. I'm madly in love with you. Felt like I was living.
What do you think? Have you had fun?
I've had the most amazing trip, and I'm so glad you joined us, Debbie.
Oh, that was my next question. Were you glad that I came?
I'm so happy you came.
Oh, Debbie and Auntie Linda.
I love my family being here. Okay.
Love you madly. I love you madly.